You're a fucking bastard! Now me in a preach for Abi. How many lives you don't waste? How much you don't steal? We don't think establish yourself. Now me you can't preach for now. After this last hit, where I want make we do? Now me you can't preach for now.
Elijah, that was then. This is now. I told you, but you never believed me. I told you that this was a new Podolsky, but you never believed me. It's not too late for you to change. Listen, no matter what, I love you so much, and you still remain my brother. Please, give it up now.
Fuck you!
My son, there is something I want to tell you. We have been waiting for the right time to tell you. And I guess the time is now. Before I got you, I searched the earth for you, a child. I now decided to enter into covenant with God, that if He blesses me with my own child, I will dedicate him to the works of the Lord. After a while, God gave me a child, which is you. I was very happy. Your father and I were very, very happy. Everybody around us was happy because they thought there was no more hope for me. And ever since then, I have been trying to raise you in the fear of the Lord and in the services of God. Son, take this. Wear it on your neck always. It will protect you and shield you from the arrows of the wicked.
Mama, you have started again, Mama. You're always coming up with... Mama, how is this supposed to protect me, Mama? How is this one supposed to protect me? This thing protect me. Mama, don't you think you need this more than me? Look, I'm a young man, a vibrant young man. I can always protect myself.
But I need to pass it down to you before I pass over to the other side.
The other side? Mama, the other side. What are you insinuating? Mama, don't tell me you are planning to die. No, Mama. Don't tell me you are planning to die. Because it won't work. It will not work, Mama. Mama, stop saying that now. You know I need you. Stop doing that, please. Stop saying that. I need you.
No, you don't need me. What you need most now is God, who has always been there for you from the beginning of time. I love you, my son. I love you, son.
What's going on?
No, she not be feeling so well.
Mama have not been feeling well.
Yes.
I was there some days back now. She was very okay now. What's wrong with Mama?
My head hurts.
Hey! Look at how hot her body is. So what have you given to her now?
I give her Panadol.
Panadol?
Yes.
Okay. You know what, You know what? Just stay with Mama, okay? Let me rush to the chemist and see what I can get for her. I'll be back now. Make sure you stay with her. Good day, please. Good day, eh? My mom is having I don't know what they call it, high fever. Her body is very, very hot. Very, very, very hot. So you know what? All the medicine can give me here that can cure that. I don't know if malaria or anything. Just God give me all the drugs, please.
Which one in particular do you need? I can give you all the drugs, you know that.
I can't give you everything when they're here now. Now you won't pay. Give me drugs. Give me everything when they're here. Why go take care of my mind? They tell me give me a particular one. Give me drugs, I beg.
Mama, no! Mama, no! Mama! Hey! Brother!
What's the problem now?
Mama! Mama! Oh, because they mama, no, buyang here. Mama!
So, info, you hear me? See, based on this information you give us onto tomorrow robbery, if everything go legit, I believe everything must go legit. As with the hit, they come back from the robbery, your own cost could be 3 million naira.
Kai! Shema, you know got fear from my side.
I believe you.
As soon as I just go this whole come back, I go bring more and more they come.
I believe you. Elijah Alpha, you hear me? Good. Listen to me. See that nonsense where you do the last time we go for robbery. I no go take am on. Where you waste time, you know what they talk about. I no go take am this time. See the robbery they go for tomorrow. Time at time. We'll get time we want to do and come out. Give my message to Dotun. The target is still 30 million. 30 million naira. Yes. Everything prepared. We'll pick up for 0 place now. You know 0 place. Now then we'll go for move.
My son, I advised you as a mother, and I told you the covenant I have with God for you to serve him. But you insisted and continued living the life of criminality and recklessness. Paul, my son, it is time you live the life of criminality and serve God.
My Father, my God in heaven, you will make the heavens and the earth and everything therein. God have mercy. God have mercy, God have mercy, please.
How could I not know? How could I not know that it has been you all the while in my life? How could I not know? How could I not know that? How could I not know that all the bullets, all the arrows, all the devices, dangerous devices that have been fired at me that couldn't penetrate was due to your guidance and protection? Oh God, how could I not know? How could I not know, Jehovah? How could I not know? Father, please forgive me. Forgive me, oh God, forgive me, oh God, forgive me, Father, please forgive me, oh, please, God. One more chance, God. One more chance. One more opportunity is what I ask of thee, Jehovah. Please, one more chance. Forgive me, oh God. Preserve my life. And I promise you, oh God, that I will never go to my bad ways again. I promise you, oh God, I'm saying it again, that I will never go to my bad ways again. I will stop robbery. I will stop all the evil jobs I'm doing, oh God. Please just forgive me and give me this one more chance, my Father. Please.
Wow. Good morning, my king. How was your night?
Fine.
Baby, how are you doing?
Okay.
Baby, you know what? Fix something for breakfast as soon as possible. I am famished.
Okay.
Okay? Now, baby, let me take this call.
Oh, okay.
Elijah, how far now? Ade house, what's up? What is going down tomorrow? Elijah, you know what, eh? You see that tomorrow operation, I know if they involved based on 1 or 2. No, I'm fine, I'm okay, I'm fine. Guy, I said I am fine. Guy, I am fine. Hello? Elijah? Hello?
Who's on the phone?
No one important. So what are we having for breakfast?
Oh, I'm making potatoes and fried eggs.
Oh, my favorite. Baby, fast about it, you know.
Alright.
Okay, my king!
Let me guess.
You're fine, right? That's good, my boy. That's good.
But the last hit na him be this.
Yes, no.
If you catch out like this, I go balance.
No
My
man.
jackpot, knock out like this.
All man go
You
dey.
understand? I can't wait to. My body they prepare me.
All man go dey.
You understand?
Hey, Podoski, my man, family man,
Brother, how far now?
what's up?
What are you guys doing here? I can't remember inviting you over to my place. What's up?
Anyway, I didn't quite understand what you were saying on the phone, so I decided for us to come and see you face to face, make we understand ourselves. Yeah.
I heard everything you said on the phone. But that's not a criteria for you to come to my house uninvited now. What's going on here?
Guys, relax now. What do they worry you? Now will. My brotherhood now.
Hi, babe. What's going on?
Our wife, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. I greet you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. How did you rent the day now?
Yeah, very well, sir.
Yeah. I hope you cooked something scrumptious because we're coming in to eat very soon.
I dey perceive one bad aroma. And they come, oh, Wale.
Baby, there's no problem, eh? I'll join you soon. Having a little discussion there. Thanks, yeah.
Let's go inside now. So
No,
we can
we
discuss.
are not going inside. Whatever we have to discuss, we discuss everything here. Okay? So listen, guys, I don't mean to disrespect. I heard everything you said on the phone. I am not interested. I am not interested. That's the truth.
Listen, Podolski, this is our last hit. And trust me, it's very simple. There is this money that is coming into the local government. They'll be moving it to the bank. We have all the information that we need. All we need to do is just to intercept the money, collect the thing, and one man go day. We all go our ways. Everybody go day well.
Are you guys there for something? What's going on here now? Are you guys deaf? I said I'm not interested. Listen, this Podolski you are talking to is not the Podolski you used to know. I'm not into crime anymore. I've given up on crime. I don't do crime anymore. I'm a changed man. I'm a family man. I have a wife and a son now I take care of. I'm not into that stuff again. And I advise you guys to stop too. Stop this life of crime because at the end it does not pay. What is all this now?
Podolski, I never smoke this morning. Never smoke. Because I bring on the door like darling now. What did they worry you?
Dotun?
Eh?
Everything you guys said, I've heard. But I am not interested. Read my lips, I'm not interested.
Guy. Hold on, I beg. Because you're already pissing me off now. You're pissing me off with all this bullshit talk. What be this one now? You say this one start now? Oh, because now you are married and you have a kid, so you now discover that what we do is risky. It's not good. You can't talk with this. You don't turn church boy, they wear cross, so you now want back out, I mean, just like that. It's not gonna happen, bro. Oh, I see. You have made money. You don't already arrange yourself well. So you decide now to leave us for poverty. Don't be waiting, be. Listen, we're going for that last seat. And you go do it. And you go lead down. So that once we make our own money, say we say good day well as you day. That's it.
I knew it. Money. It's always about money.
Of course, the money now.
You guys need money. Okay, no problem. I'll see you guys later tonight. I'll see you guys later tonight. I have something for you.
See, I say, on a normal, forget say we dey relax for you. If we don't collect 99 here, you know as they been about that we go. No stand, but buy your one. We they go, they wait for you for local government.
But you know they go. Why I want? Should we send that tonight? We'll wait for local government.
We don't come for the general. Why I want?
Baby.
Baby.
What's going on?
Nothing much. You see, something urgent just came up. I have this business meeting I need to attend tonight.
Baby, what business that can't wait till morning?
Of course, I just said something now. I said it came up. That means it was not planned for. But I've already agreed to it. Appointment is an appointment. Before I know it, I'll be back. I have to.
Please talk to me. What is going on?
See, baby, this is all I can tell you. There's nothing really serious that is going on. I want you to relax your mind. Okay, let me just go for this meeting. By the time I'm back, I'll explain many things to you. But nothing serious is really going on.
But I'm worried. I am.
Sweetie, I know you're worried. But you don't need to be worried, please. Please. There's nothing to be worried about. I'm telling you the truth. All I need you to do for me is just take care of yourself and take care of Jesse. Before you know it, I'll be back. Please, don't be worried about anything. Okay? But stop this now. You know I love you so much. You know I love you. Okay? Before you know it, I'll be back. Yeah? I'll see you soon, dear. Let's take care. I'll see you soon. Okay? I'll see you soon.
Isn't it this one?
That money there inside.
Yes. It's money.
Broski. Wetin come be this one now where you dey try to do? I carry money come meet us, you miss road. We don turn to bank where you go come deposit. Abi na akawo we dey do here to dey collect contribution. What's the meaning of this one?
Guys. The money in this bag is all that I've got in my account. I had to close my account because of you guys. Please. I know that the essence of every operation is to raise money, to make money. So I brought money to you guys so that you can forget about this operation, please. Listen to me, listen. See, the money in this bag is enough for both of you, even more than enough for both of you to start a legit business. Please, my brothers, crime does not pay. I want you guys to stop all this, just like I did. Please. Please.
You dey hear yourself dey talk, Abi. Before you talk, you dey reason am. So you don dey turn your boat o. If crime no dey pay, how you take raise this money wey you raise come? Wetin dey worry you now? You don dey turn your boat o. You no get orientation.
You know, initially I thought this was just a joke. I been think say you just dey pull our legs. They try to see our vibes to know what we will fit do or something. But this one now is on another level where I don't understand. What's the meaning of this? Which kind of sudden repentance be this one now? Wait, na me dey form church boy for? Na me dey form church boy for? Make your mind deal. You dey crazy? You dey mad? What be this one now? You look us finish, one come insult us with money.
No. Elijah, you guys are getting it wrong. This is not an insult. I can never insult you guys.
Shut up! Na insult be this one now. What be your own? You don't lose them. You don't lose them. See, make your mind deal. Make your mind day. What be this one now? Come on, Podolski. Call yourself to order. Call yourself to order. No, they stand before me. Waiting. Why do you look me like that? You won't fight me? You won't fight me? Attack now, make I just light you now, make we end this whole madness. What if this one now? Call yourself to order, beg.
See, my brothers. No matter what is happening here, you guys are still my brothers. I did not come here to fight or argue with anyone. I just came here so that I would let you guys know that crime doesn't pay. Please, you guys have to change your ways. I come in peace. I come in peace.
Thunder fire you, fire peace. You hear me? Thunder fire you, fire peace. See, guy, don't they turn about there? What is they worry you now? You should be all this one now. I be smoke. I no smoke. Comport yourself, oh.
Podolski. Make I play you one tape wey they never play before. Whether you like it or yes. You see this last hit? Now you go lead down. We go.
Whether you like it, like it's a must. Don't sign up. They hear me. If you like, please, you go out. Don't hear me. You follow us, go out.
Thanks, yeah. Yes. How are you?
How did the meeting go?
Yeah, the meeting, yeah. It went well. It went well.
You promised to tell me about it when you return.
Yes, I did, but nothing too serious about the meeting. Just like every other business meeting, darling. Too serious.
Babe, I'm your wife. And when anything affects you, me too. I can't pretend that all is well when I know. Please, talk to me.
See, babe, there's... I don't...
Is your business going down? Or cement business?
See, babe, babe, see, the truth is, see, the truth is that I have not been faithful to you. I have not been truthful to you. I have not been real to you. I am not who you think I am. Baby, there is no, there is no cement business anywhere. I steal and kill for a living.
A very nasty joke. Do you know I almost... Wait. You are not joking. God.
Babe, like I said, I have not been real with you. I am a very terrible person. Even when my mom was alive, she saw these things and made me take a vow to serve God, to leave all those evil. Continued in my bad ways. I continued. I did not listen to my mom. Just one few days ago, I had a terrible nightmare.
my late mom came to my rescue and she told me in a dream that if I continue my ways, I would perish. I am a terrible person. I am. I killed, I stole, I did many terrible things for a living.
Obo! Kill him. Where am I go? No, move! No, move! Let's go! Let's go! Listen. Call your pastor. Call Michael. Make Michael call God. Tell us say fine boys don't come collect their own share of the harvest. Yeah? You hear me? No surprise!
Rest of church now, they come collect the offering money, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. They carry car, we go. They collect the offering money, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
So be married to a murderer to me and pretending all this while.
You see, get myself, tell you the truth. Because I love you so, please. I don't want to leave me, please. I love you so. Listen, don't accept, please. Don't just listen. I love you.
You're right.
I love you. Something never is my way. I have stopped. You go. That is my friend. Remember, I not mind to go for. I'm the one. I that everything about robbery has a need be one of them. I have stopped. I'm never going back.
My uncle is an assistant commissioner in this. I will also speak to my father to help us.
Maybe you are correct. You said, but that. Miss, I can talk to them. I can talk.
How? Remember, don't let
Baby, it have to be arrested. Just give me a little time. I'll change their ways. Please, just a little time. My thanks.
I don't want to shoot you.
I love you too, baby. Not you.
to sort this. Am I sure people do the right thing? He has already. Doubt he would do the expected. I need to find a way into all.
Should I just go ahead and kill both of them and even myself? Everybody go. I'm sure the world would be a better place without the three of us. My lovely, they would be heartbroken. No. I'm going to kill Dotun and Elijah. This is difficult. I don't think I can live with the guilt of their demise. They're still my friends no matter what. I believe I can solve this. They will listen to me. They may not want for now, but listen to me. With that I meant well. Yeah. Say not to cry.
I've been a lot of trouble.
Oh, come help me, let's go fix something.
Okay, when you know that business is in the kitchen.
Into this, it's very wrong for him to say that. You need to find a way around the kitchen, right?
What makes it wrong?
Because one of the richest and successful chefs in the world today is man. He's actually a man. So you need to learn. Follow your mother to the kitchen. Alright? So make something.
How are you doing? You are not looking sad. What is it?
Dad, there's something I want to tell you. But you have to promise me you won't be mad at me if I do so.
My daughter, you know I love and cherish everything about you. I can never go against you or against any of your methods. So feel free to tell me what it is.
That is about my husband.
Don't tell me he has laid his hand on you.
No. Paul can never do such.
Then what is
loves
it?
me so much.
What is it?
That I know it's going to sound crazy, but he's a criminal, a murderer, a kidnapper.
Oh, God. What are you talking about?
Dad, you promised not to flare up on me. Please.
You mean my son-in-law is a criminal, a murderer?
Daddy, he confessed to me. That's why I want you to please help and save him. He operates with, and they want to embark in another operation, but he don't want to. Please.
Your husband is a criminal, and he will have to go in for that.
Daddy, please, I don't want my husband to go to jail. Please, Dad. Please.
It's high time you come out of that man. My daughter can never be married to...
Daddy, he loves me. And as for your... You know I'm your only child, Dad.
What love are you?
Please help.
He's a criminal.
My husband to go to jail, please. You have to help us, Daddy. Daddy, he has done it. That is old. That is his place. Please do something.
You are forcing me against my will. I'll have to call my brother, the commissioner of police. But I doubt if he is going to reach.
Please, you have to do something, Daddy. That's why you come in, please.
I will do my best, but I'm not promising anything.
But you can promise.
You don't understand. And I know what you're trying to say. I can fix this. All I'm saying is that just please, I can sort all these things out.
I couldn't trust you to handle this. So I needed to separate you from them as soon as possible. They are evil.
Babe, I know they are evil. I was an evil man, but I changed. For someone like me to change, any other person can. Babe, please, I believe they will come around, they will listen to me. Please.
Well, it's too late. I've told my dad already about it. And trust me, he was very mad. The fact remains, because I still want be in this marriage. He has to talk to his brother, who is commissioner of police.
What?
Yes! And he... Yes.
Ah, babe, why now? Why did you do all this behind me? Why now? Ha!
Wetin we go do? Wetin we go do? Like this now, my brain dey popcorn. What do you think? Odoski is up to something. I mean, you know who his wife be? You know who her uncle be? Na the commissioner of police for this town. That girl kill your guy, leave her. Na wetin give am mind dey do wetin e dey do? Wetin give am liver? The girl uncle na CP for this state. Up to something, no be lie. Something dey smell. Something dey smell. You know wetin I notice? E be like say unity. So you want? Then you go sell us out. Thunder go fire. You no go fit. You no go fit. See, wetin dey give me popcorn for head? Wetin dey give me popcorn for head be say I no understand this guy. All of a sudden he come change overnight. But I dey from brotherhood. I no send this boy. In the wine, in the Jones. They don't promise that guy.
Jesse.
That I want to be a spy all the criminals in this city and end crime. I want to be a policeman.
I want to be a policeman.
Yes.
So that you can kill all the criminals in the city.
Yes.
Okay, it's a good thing to be a policeman. But at your age, you should not be playing with this. Please, toy gun. Gun is not a good thing. Besides, not to buy you the toys like this. You have balls, you have cars, you have other toys.
No, that is what the policeman use and kills in the movie.
Paul, yeah, took me very story.
But she told me not to take action. Rather, that I should save you. And that's why I called my brother, Douglas, the commissioner of police in this state, to come and be with us here in this meeting.
Thank you, sir. Sir, let me start by first apologizing.
There's no time for that now. Please start telling him everything you know about your criminal activities everywhere with all these your nasty friends.
Mr. Paul, you have to trust me on this, okay? I am here to save you, not to arrest you.
Stop hitting him. Elijah, what is going on? What have I done to you?
You haven't done anything wrong to us. It is your husband who has really said, thereby endangering your life and that of your son. Too bad.
I'm sure whatever it is, you can sort it out. I am of peace.
Shut up there, stupid mouth. You're mad. It is a no-no. Okay, they arrange police, but they buy us. Abi? Report yourself.
Just pray that your husband does as we said. Else, you can kiss your lives goodbye. Okay?
Under fire are you? Why they make noise for here?
It's not fair.
Some days back, I met with my friends. And the reason for meeting them was to convince them to turn a new leaf, to stop all their criminal activities and every other thing they've been doing, that it does not pay. All my plea fell on deaf ears, and they even threatened to kill me. They insisted that I must follow them for an operation they are going very soon. The last robbery operation, they have tagged the last hit. And they said if I don't go with them, it means trouble.
How many are these your friends, by the way?
There are two, sir. There are two, but they are very, very deadly, sir. Sir, they are the ones calling.
Who?
My friends we are talking about, they are the ones calling.
Take the call and put it on loudspeaker.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Hello?
Podolski, my man. See, if you like, go to the police and tell them. If you like, go barracks, go report them to army. Go and tell the Navy or Air Force. Go and inform the whole battalion of all the forces. Consign us. If you really want to see your family alive again, you will do as we talk. Okay? You do what we said. And the thing we did be that.
You see? Paul, look at yourself. So they have kidnapped my daughter and grandson.
My brother, calm down.
You mean I should calm down? Please do something about it right now and I'm fast. Paul, look at you. Look at what you have caused. If anything happens to my daughter and grandson, I will skin you alive.
James, please calm down. Let us follow this thing systematically. That is why I'm here.
It's all right. It's all right.
Mr. Paul, how did your friends get to know that we're having this meeting with you here?
Sir, I don't know. Sir, explain, I don't know. I didn't tell anyone I was coming here to meet you people. I can't explain it, I don't know, sir. I guess they've been trailing me or they've been trailing my wife. Sir, I don't know what's happening, I don't know, sir.
Elijah! Elijah, I'm big for those. Come and know this thing once and for all. Come out and face me as a man. Come out! Elijah!
These guys are not here. They are not at Elijah's place. They are not at Dotun's place. Where else can they be? Yeah, who's this? Elijah, listen to me. If anything happens to my wife and my son, I swear to God I will send you to the afterlife bit by bit. Elijah, I know what I can do. Elijah, you're a bastard. Elijah! Elijah!
Mr. Paul, you have to go ahead as planned.
I don't understand, sir.
The operation that they are inviting you for, you have to go for it.
Sir, that won't be possible. I am no longer a criminal, so I can't indulge in such.
We understand all that. But if that will make you see your wife and your son again alive, then you have to go. You will go.
You must do this for my daughter and grandson.
Don't worry. I have everything planned out. Very well planned out. You have nothing to worry about. You will like the result.
You have to do this for the sake of my daughter's life and that of my grandson. Please.
You don't want to see your wife and child again?
Now, what about that? You cheated. You cheated. Yeah, one more. Let's go now. After the count of 3.
Wait now.
But you have to
now.
Straight first now. But we'll count 3 before we go. You count 3 for us. 1, 2, 3.
I said like no, you cheated. No, I can't take it. Wow.
Hey.
Wow.
That's good. Yeah, it's your turn. Yeah, come, it's your turn.
Fast for you.
No, it's your turn. Yeah, come. I'm the champion. Come and do.
Okay.
It's your turn now. Yeah, come here. Come and stay beside your mom.
Yeah.
Now let's go. Yeah, place your hand on the table. Let's go. 1, 2. Madam, you catch cold. I bring food for 2 of you, I mean, my chop. But I need to feed you.
We are not interested in your food. We need to go home.
But your husband hand you there. Now you hold the key. You will go home or you will die for here. And they're mad.
But he was your friend. Just take a good look at how you are treating his family. You're a wicked man.
Come. I know they here for that woman talk. Oh. I go wire you see them mad. Waiting in my mind now to go that last hit. Now in my mind. I want money. And nobody will stop her. They hear me.
To hell with you and your food.
Come, both. No see what they do in the blood. Abi? Yeah, Papa no get to the doctor. You no get to the doctor. You dey mad. Papa na mumu no both the way him be. Thunder fire you. Make speed na him go feed you now. Go die for here.
My father will get you.
Thunder fire you. You dey hear me? That papa no boat. You no get orientation. You self no get orientation.
Please.
You go die for here. That stupid woman no gree chop food.
I hear her dey shout. Wetin happen?
I slap her.
What? Why you slap her now?
You no get respect.
See, Doctor, I know say we get issues with Podolski. But that one no mean say we carry him family come here to rough handle them. Because you need to understand, say, family, now our family too. She understand. I beg you, free that woman and the pikin who beat them.
Ciela, maybe I play you one tape for the orientation. Family no dey betray family. If family betray family, no both them. You know understand? I be family dey betray family.
It dey happen sometimes.
You know they happen.
It dey happen sometimes. See, I don't know where you gather live out. I don't know where you gather live out. They do all this one. They make you no forget, say, maybe the cocoa be that. Don't forget, say, na Podolski we dey deal with. And remember, the girl uncle, in wife uncle, na CP of the state. I don't tell you before, say, be like, say, Podolski get immunity. Me and you, to be target to, so when you calm down.
See, Ella, make I see play you with the orientation. Be like, say, don't forget. You know understand? Family no dey betray family. If your family betray family, no both there. You know understand? I know they see your uncle want make you be reverend father. If you want make you be doctor, thunder fire am. Make good dey come out for you.
Yes, hello? Okay. Okay. It's obvious he has chosen to go after those men all by himself. Move it. Now listen, yeah? There's a development.
He's calling.
Who be that?
Podolski.
Johnson man. What the?
Podolski, my man. How far?
I am in.
You are in on what?
I'll go for the operation.
And now your sense come back. You have just made the right choice to save lives. No problem now. We will start arranging, getting ready for the last hit.
I want to speak with my wife and son.
Don't you think it's too early to start making demands? Podolski, my man. It's too early now.
If I can't get a confirmation of life from them, then I'm not doing this.
Podo, no problem. Your wish is my command. For now, your wish and my command. You will speak to them. Don't you go run now?
What did I do wrong?
You carry the phone, go meet your wife. He wants to speak to the wife to be sure they are alive.
Don't see man, go with it. They'll get orientation.
You don't get orientation by force now. Never know how far. Podo. Never see anything.
Madam, follow your husband talk.
Yes, baby. I'm here with Jackson. Jackson, say hello to Daddy.
And I want to go home.
Daddy's working on something to get you and your mom out of there safely.
Okay, I trust in you.
Babe, I know you're planning to do something crazy all in our sakes. But please, don't go back to what you've promised God and yourself, please.
They mad. So you want to come up for here? Make you know follow me go do my last hit. They creep on the. You go die for here. Come, woman, they hear them happy. Come back. Shut up there. I fire you. This is how they play. Paul, you got us worried. Where the hell were you?
I'm very sorry, sir. I had to go and search for them on my own again. I'm sorry.
And did you succeed?
No, sir.
Listen, next time you act alone, that will be your last day. Do you hear me?
I'm very sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. But I was able to talk to my wife and my son on phone.
And how are they?
Merely holding on. They're holding on, sir. The robbery will be going down tomorrow. I need to go and hook up with crew now.
All right. Now, listen to me very carefully. Okay? My men will be moving towards.
They just said, if you're reading this, then it's obvious I did not make it home. I've watched you grow from the time you were a baby to the amazing boy that you are today. I want you to know that Daddy is very proud of you. I've done things that I'm not proud of. Things that disqualifies me from being the type of dad you deserve. I was recently shown the errors of my ways, and it has already become too late for me to make a comeback. But I'm hoping that you'll learn from my mistakes and try to be a better man tomorrow for the society. Stay away from any form of crime, because it doesn't end always the same. It's always disastrous. Take good care of your mom and become the hero I couldn't be for her. I want to believe that no matter what you hear about me tomorrow, you know me better than anyone, and that it won't change the way you see me. Because I love you so much, son. I love you more than life itself. Which is why I will give my life for you many times than possible. Take the chaplet. I got it from my mother. It's not yours. Make sure it's always on your neck. Treat it as your good luck charm. Much love, son. Dad. Let's do this. Guys, I'm going to pull this last hit with you on one condition.
What do you mean the condition?
No killing, no spilling of blood.
Oh, no medicine after death now. But anyway, it depends on their cooperation. If they cooperate well, they will survive. If not, we gotta do what we gotta do, man.
Thunder fire you! Obate! Don't get orientation. Thunder fire you!
Officer, don't shoot! Officer, don't shoot! Don't shoot, officers, please. Don't shoot. Please.
You see that what they tell you? Say you don't get orientation. Shebi, you don't betray us, Abi. You the betrayer!
How dare you call me a traitor? How dare you call me a traitor for saving your life? I told you!
I should thank you, Abi. I should thank you, say you saved my life. You don't take oath with me to protect me in all angles. Now you don't turn against us.
I told you. I warned you. I warned Elijah that this wasn't going to end well. Now look at it. Look at the outcome. This is a war we cannot win. We cannot fight the police. This whole area is surrounded by the police. We can't win this war. Doctor, we cannot win this war. There's still time. Doctor, there's still time for a change. Especially you, there's still time for you to change. You cannot win this war. Please don't attempt to fight the police. Please. Surrender yourself and give up yourself to the police. Please, my brother, please.
Thunder fire you. You hear me? Thunder fire you. About there. Make I go the rot in jail. Abi? Make I go rot in jail where you enjoy with the family. I have became. Abi? To go, you say that better make I die. And before I die, you follow me down.
Dear God, I'm so sorry for what I have done. I've been such a rebel, captured by sin. Never knew I was breaking your heart. Never knew I was letting you down. Knew I was putting you down. Never knew I was mocking your grace. If you ever give me a second chance,
There's no money in any of the bags. I made a deal with the police commissioner for the interest of all of us.
Podolski, you're a big fool. So of all the people who are there for this life, now police, you just strike deal with? You're a big fool. Wait. So you plan all this? I've always known it. You're a betrayer.
Ask yourself, Elijah. Ask yourself. Who's the bad guy here? The police? Or we? We are the bad guys. We are the menace to the society. The police protect and save people. We are total destruction and doom to people. Do not put the blame on the police. My brother Elijah, it's not too late for us to give up. It's not too late for all of us to make. And that is what I'm proposing to you right now. It's over. Game over.
my lover, my friend, oh mine, forgive me if you can. Oh my friend, I'm sorry, forgive me if you can. I've been a lot of trouble.
Bastard! Now me in the preach for Abi. How many lives you don't waste? How much you don't? We don't take establish yourself. Now me you can't preach for now. After this last hit, where I want make we do? Now me you can't preach for now.
Elijah, that was then. This is now. I told you, but you never believed me. I told you that this was a new Podolski, but you never believed me. It's not too late for you to change. Listen, no matter what, I love you so much, and you still remain my brother. Please, give it up now.
Fuck you!
Dear God, I'm so sorry for what I have done. I've been such a rebel, captured by sin.
Elijah.
Never knew I was
Elijah.
breaking your heart.
Elijah.
Never knew
Elijah.
I was letting you down.
Why? What? Let's go. Why did you shoot him? No, the plan was to get all of them arrested. Why did you do this? Why? He's gone. Let's go.
If you ever give me a second chance, I would do things better. If you ever give me another chance, I will live life better. But even if I ain't getting second chance, I'll still be grateful. Cause you love me, you love me. You love me, I love you, yeah. I won't blame you. If you ever give me a second chance,
How about their bodies?
The bodies have been taken care of. Mr. Paul, please hand over the weapon to me.
never knew I was letting you down.
By the order of the Commissioner of Police, Mr. Paul, you are under arrest. Please follow me.
I've been such a loser, swimming in shame. Never knew I was letting you down. Never knew I was putting you down. I thought I was having the best of life. Never knew, I never knew. If you ever give me a second chance, I would do things better. If you ever give me another life, I will live a better life. But even if I ain't get a second chance, I'll still be grateful. Cause you love me, you love me. You love me, I love you, yeah. I won't blame you. If you ever give me another chance,